Cryptocurrency. XLM. Stellar Lumens. Stellar is an open source network for currencies and payments. Stellar makes it possible to create, send and trade digital representations of all forms of money, dollars, pesos, Bitcoin, pretty much anything. It's designed so all the world's financial systems can work together on a single network. Stellar has no owner, if anything it's owned by the public. The software runs across a decentralized, open network and handles millions of transactions each day. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Stellar relies on blockchain to keep the network in sync, but the end-user experience is more like cash. Stellar is much faster, cheaper, and more energy efficient than typical blockchain-based systems. Stellar has its own built-in token, called the Lumen, created to fill a special role in the network. By design, Stellar requires that each account hold a small number of lumens at all times.